So hi, this is Andrew again, aka Beer is Good on Reddit, and today I am going to do another, just one more energy problem that I think is important for the FE exam before we move on to other sections. So we have a block, it's being held in midair at a height h, which is 10 meters. And the mass of the block is 5 kilograms, and it's going to fall on top of a spring, and the spring is going to compress by some distance x, which we don't know x. We're trying to find the distance that the spring compresses based on the parameters of the problem. And so the hardest part about this problem is to realize that as the spring is being compressed, the block is still falling. So the block still has potential energy. So the full potential energy side of the equation, is mgh plus x, which is the full height that the block falls. And that is equal to the kinetic energy of the spring, 1/2 k x initial minus x final squared. Since the spring is not initially stretched or compressed, x naught is equal to 0. So we're left with, and this x and this x are the same. So we're left with mgh plus mgx equals 1/2 k x squared. So we have a quadratic equation here. So 0 equals 1/2 kx squared minus mgx minus mgh. Okay, so with this quadratic equation, we can plug in numbers and then solve. So 0 equals 1/2 times 1000 x squared minus 5, right? Minus 5 kilograms is the mass, times 9.8 gravity times x minus 5 times 9.8 times the height, which is 10. So let me just do that on my calculator. 500 x squared, 0 equals 500 x squared minus 5 times 9.8, which is 49 x minus 490. From here we can just do a quadratic equation. 49, so x equals 49. We're probably going to say let's do it first and find the solutions. 49 plus or minus the square root of 49 squared is 2401 minus 4 times 490 times 500 4 times negative 490 times 500, which is 980,000. And this is divided by 2 times 500. 2041 minus 4 times negative 490 times 500. That's a plus sign. Crap. Okay. This equals, let's do that square root. Square root 41 plus 980,000 is 49 plus or minus 991 over 1,000. So 49 plus 991 over 1,000. 91 over 1,000 equals 1.04, or 9 minus negative 0.942. Let's go back to the problem. So we assumed that the height was positive. And since the block falls an even greater height in mg times h plus x, you know that x must be positive in order to make this height greater than 10 meters. So because of that, we take the positive height. So the total compression of the spring is 1.04 units of meters. And that is the answer. So I hope you learned something from this video, and until next time, bye-bye.